Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I thought I would do something super fun. I had created this kind of thank you dinner, impromptu dinner for Morgan for kind of supporting me in other things. And I had a lot of feedback that people wanted to know how to make this mousse. So that's what we're gonna do today. It's kind of a different video for our channel, so let us know if you like this, give us feedback, like it, share it, comment. Definitely let us know how you feel, and let's get started. This recipe happens to be keto and paleo if that's something you're looking for. If you choose to do the heavy whipping cream, homemade whipped cream, it's no longer paleo, but still really delicious, still really nutritious for you. So these are the ingredients you're gonna need today. The full fat coconut milk. You can use whatever sweetener you have. I use organic raw honey. You need cocoa powder, espresso powder, or instant coffee, salt, and either heavy whipping cream or coconut cream. I've made it both ways, but I'm gonna use it with coconut cream today to make our whipped cream. So we're gonna start with our heavy coconut cream. You definitely want something that has a lot of fat in it, percentage-wise. And we're gonna use this to make our coconut whipped cream, which is basically just gonna be whipping this until it turns into whipping cream, which you would do with heavy whipping cream. Typically people add like vanilla or powdered sugar. We're actually gonna add just a little bit of vanilla and a little bit of maple syrup. But you wanna make sure that you put this in the fridge overnight so this becomes hard on top. I'll try to show you guys. Yep. And we're gonna scoop this out, and then underneath will be the coconut water or coconut milk, which we will actually save for smoothies later in the week or whatever we wanna use it for. So this coconut cream got a little bit hard in the fridge overnight, so I'm actually gonna do a little trick that I learned a long time ago, where you unseal it from the bottom and then you pour out the milk, and then you can kind of just shove the hardened coconut cream out the bottom. And now we're gonna whip it up until it looks like a whipped cream consistency. I'm gonna very quickly add in my vanilla and just a smidge of maple syrup for sweetness. I've stuck the whipped cream in the fridge to kind of set up. So now we're gonna make the chocolate mixture that we will whip in with the coconut whipped cream a little bit later. So we have our cocoa powder, we have our salt, and we have our espresso powder or instant coffee. We're just gonna whisk these guys together. So now we are going to throw in our coconut milk and our raw honey. We're gonna saute them in this pan until the raw honey is dissolved. So we just want this to gently simmer, which it looks like it's doing right now. And we are going to take it and combine it with the chocolate and salt and espresso powder instant coffee mix that we already whisked together earlier. I'm gonna let it cool off before we combine it with our whipped cream so we don't change the texture of the whipped cream. So we'll be right back. So now I'm gonna mix in the coconut whipped cream we made earlier to our chocolate mixture here. Then we're gonna actually place it into our cups and put it in the fridge at least for a couple of hours, if not overnight. That helps it kind of sponge up and be really moussey. That's what we like. We have whipped up our chocolate mousse to the consistency that we want. This will definitely look different should you choose to use the heavy whipping cream. I think mine, when I did it last time with the heavy whipping cream, it was a little bit lighter. But in doing it with the coconut milk, it's actually keto and paleo. So I wanted to give you guys an idea of what that would look like. And we're going to portion it into our bowls here and put them in the fridge, at least for a couple hours, if not overnight. That will help them kind of solidify up. So these guys just came out of the refrigerator. You can either, in your chocolate mousse, you can either put raspberries or a little bit of that coconut cream and whipped cream and your raspberries. If you guys want the recipe, we'll be linking it in the description box below so you guys can make it yourselves. I really hope you enjoyed watching this quote-unquote food recipe video. I really enjoyed making it. I really find it fascinating to use recipes I love and make them healthier for myself and for my family. And if you guys have any questions, let us know. If you want to see more videos like this, please like it, share it, comment down below something you'd like us to try or you'd like to see us make, and we'd be glad to do it. I love cooking and so does Morgan. Morgan's more of a baker, but yeah, we'd love to. That's gonna do it for us this week, and we will see you guys next week. Bye guys.